Did you know around 9 million Australians have used an illicit drug at some point in their life? That's almost half of us. If we look closer, we can see that around 3.4 million, or 16.4% of Australians, have used illicit drugs, including non-medical pharmaceuticals, at some point within a 12-month period. In 2019, the most commonly used drug was cannabis, followed by cocaine and ecstasy. However, substance use can often be an indicator of a larger problem. Almost every company has a drug and alcohol policy in their paperwork. It is not only an integral part of the organization's security program, but it communicates all expectations to employees, including your personal tolerance to substance abuse. It can also protect your business from potentially dangerous or impactful behavior, fatal incidents, and both ethical and legal implications. As every company is different, so are its tolerance levels for substance use in the workplace. Most organizations do not allow their employees to work under the influence for the safety of the individual and those around them. Some conduct regular drug and alcohol testing on their employees to make sure they are not under the influence of drugs or alcohol, and to find out if they regularly use illegal substances. This type of policy can be seen in most co-working offices. Others have a no-tolerance policy towards drugs or alcohol in the workplace, meaning that if an employee is caught with an illegal substance in their system, they are immediately terminated. This is often seen in jobs where people operate heavy machinery or perform tasks where the lives of others are at risk. However, more and more companies are developing a more holistic approach to the drug and alcohol testing policy, looking at why employees are using these substances in the first place. Everyone, on average, goes through periods of extreme stress, trauma, or emotional distress at some point in their lives. In fact, according to a recent study, almost half of all Australians have experienced a mental disorder. Looking closer, over 20% of us have experienced a mental illness lasting over 12 months. The most common being anxiety, which affects over 3 million Australians. With drugs and alcohol being a common coping mechanism for stressful times, many companies are looking to rehabilitate their workers and provide opportunities to seek help through employee assistance programs, rather than enforcing a one-strike policy. By doing so, many are able to better support, protect, and keep their workers. As there are many critical factors to consider when developing a drug and alcohol policy, AusHealth offers top-of-the-range policy reviews for organizations across Australia. Our experienced in-house toxicologists provide in-depth reviewing services, as well as assistance in the development of your policy. By working with AusHealth, you can be assured you and your employees are informed, prepared, and protected against potential risks for your business. Talk to us today about finding a policy that's right for you.